Hello and welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studios. Today, we're going to dive deep into this beloved aesthetic spring farmhouse design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Whether you're a seasoned decor enthusiast or just starting your design journey, this guide is packed with actionable insights and inspiring ideas to help you achieve that picture-perfect spring farmhouse look. Let's begin by truly understanding what spring farmhouse design is all about. What is the meaning of spring farmhouse design ideas? At its core, spring farmhouse design is a delightful fusion of two enduring aesthetics: the rustic simplicity and warmth of traditional farmhouse style, combined with the fresh, light, and vibrant elements characteristic of spring. It's about bringing the serene beauty of the countryside indoors, but with a renewed sense of energy and brightness that truly reflects the season. Think less about heavy, dark textures and more about airy fabrics, natural light, fresh greenery, and a palette that evokes blooming meadows and clear skies. It's about creating a space that feels inviting, comfortable, and effortlessly beautiful, a place where you can truly unwind and feel connected to nature's renewal. It's a design philosophy that champions authenticity, coziness, and a lived-in elegance, but with a specific emphasis on the optimism and freshness that spring brings. It's not just about decor, it's about creating an atmosphere that lifts your spirits and celebrates the beauty of new beginnings. What are the benefits of choosing spring farmhouse design ideas? The appeal of spring farmhouse design extends far beyond its aesthetic charm. There are numerous tangible benefits to adopting this style in your home. Firstly, it fosters a sense of comfort and tranquility. The emphasis on natural materials, soft textures, and a calming color palette creates an environment that encourages relaxation and reduces stress, a welcome antidote to our busy modern lives. Secondly, it offers incredible versatility. While firmly rooted in tradition, farmhouse design is incredibly adaptable. You can lean more rustic, more modern, or even incorporate subtle bohemian touches, making it easy to personalize and evolve with your tastes. Spring elements, in particular, allow for a refreshing injection of color and lightness without disrupting the core farmhouse feel. Thirdly, it promotes a connection to nature. By incorporating fresh flowers, potted plants, natural wood, and woven textures, you seamlessly blur the lines between indoors and out, bringing the revitalizing energy of spring directly into your living space. This biophilic design approach has been proven to improve mood and overall well-being. Lastly, and perhaps most practically, spring farmhouse design is often budget-friendly. Many of its core elements can be sourced affordably, from vintage finds to DIY projects, allowing you to create a high-end look without breaking the bank. It celebrates imperfections and embraces the beauty of worn, reclaimed pieces, which often come with a lower price tag and a richer story. How do I design my spring farmhouse to look good? Designing a spring farmhouse interior that truly shines involves a thoughtful approach to color, texture, lighting, and accessories. Start with your color palette. Think light and airy. Whites, creams, soft grays, and subtle pastels are your foundation. These light hues maximize natural light and create a sense of spaciousness. Introduce pops of color through spring-inspired shades like soft greens, buttery yellows, powder blues, and delicate pinks, perhaps through throw pillows, ceramic vases, or fresh floral arrangements. Next, focus on materials and textures. Embrace natural elements. Think distressed wood furniture, woven baskets, linen fabrics, cotton throws, and jute rugs. These materials add warmth and authenticity. Layering different textures is key to creating a rich and inviting space. For instance, a chunky knit throw draped over a linen sofa, or a wooden tray adorned with a delicate ceramic vase. Lighting is paramount. Maximize natural light by keeping windows unobstructed. Opt for sheer curtains or no curtains at all if privacy allows. Supplement with warm, ambient lighting from lamps with linen shades or vintage-inspired fixtures that cast a soft glow. Finally, accessories are where the spring farmhouse truly comes alive. This is where you infuse personality and seasonality. Think vintage galvanized buckets filled with fresh tulips, mason jars overflowing with wildflowers, antique books stacked on a wooden console, and charming ceramic dishes. Incorporate botanical prints, pressed flowers, and perhaps even some garden tools as decorative accents. Remember the mantra: less is often more. Choose a few impactful pieces rather than cluttering your space. Every item should feel intentional and contribute to the overall serene and welcoming atmosphere. What are the best items for spring farmhouse design ideas? Exterior facade. The exterior of your home is the first impression, and with spring farmhouse design, it's an opportunity to create a welcoming and charming curb appeal. Here are some of the best items to enhance your exterior facade. Asterisk potted plants and flowers. This is a must-have. Think terracotta pots overflowing with vibrant spring blooms like petunias, pansies, or geraniums. Galvanized buckets or vintage wooden crates can also be used as charming planters. Place them on your porch steps, by the front door, or lining a pathway. Asterisk porch furniture. If you have a porch, choose comfortable and classic pieces. A set of Adirondack chairs, a rocking chair, or a rustic wooden bench invites relaxation. Add outdoor pillows and light, spring-inspired colors or simple patterns. Asterisk welcome mat. A simple, charming welcome mat with a friendly message or a classic farmhouse pattern, like buffalo check, adds a touch of personality. Asterisk window boxes. Fill window boxes with a cascade of colorful spring flowers and trailing greenery to add visual interest and a burst of color to your windows. Asterisk garden tools as decor. For a truly authentic farmhouse feel, consider displaying vintage garden tools like a rustic watering can or a wooden wheelbarrow filled with flowers as decorative elements near your entrance. Asterisk birdhouses or bird feeders. Not only do they add a charming touch, but they also invite nature into your yard, enhancing the overall serene ambience. Asterisk farmhouse-style planters. Beyond traditional pots, consider old milk cans, wooden barrels, or even repurposed sinks as unique and authentic planters. Now, let's explore 10 fantastic spring farmhouse design ideas to inspire your own home transformation. One. Fresh floral abundance. This is non-negotiable. Fill your home with fresh flowers. Think tulips, daffodils, hydrangeas, or even simple wildflowers gathered from your garden. Place them in mason jars, milk bottles, or vintage pitchers for that quintessential farmhouse charm. 2. Lightweight linen fabrics. Swap out heavy drapes and throws for light, airy linen. White, cream, or pastel-colored linen curtains will allow natural light to flood your space, creating an open and refreshing atmosphere. 3. Botanical prints and art. Adorn your walls with framed botanical prints, pressed flowers, or even vintage seed packet art. These bring the beauty of nature indoors in a subtle yet impactful way. 4. Galvanized metal accents. Incorporate galvanized metal through watering cans used as vases, trays for organizing, or even small decorative buckets. This industrial farmhouse element adds a touch of rustic authenticity. 5. Woven textures galore. Think jute rugs, wicker baskets, and woven wall hangings. These natural textures add warmth, depth, and an organic feel to your space. 6. Soft pastel color pops. Introduce subtle pops of color through throw pillows, ceramic dishes, or small decorative accents. Think soft mint green, blush pink, baby blue, or sunny yellow. 7. Vintage-inspired greenery. Beyond fresh flowers, incorporate potted herbs like rosemary or lavender, or small potted ferns. Place them in distressed terracotta pots or charming ceramic planters. 8. Reclaimed wood elements. Incorporate reclaimed wood through shelves, small side tables, or decorative ladders. The weathered look of reclaimed wood adds character and history to your farmhouse aesthetic. 9. Open shelving with curated displays. Instead of upper cabinets, consider open shelving to display your charming farmhouse dishware, stacks of antique books, and small spring-inspired decor pieces. 10. Embrace natural light. This is key. Keep windows unobstructed, use sheer curtains, and strategically place mirrors to reflect and amplify natural light throughout your home. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to embracing the joyous and refreshing world of spring farmhouse design. By understanding its core principles, appreciating its benefits, and implementing these actionable tips, you can transform your home into a sanctuary that celebrates the beauty of the season. Remember, your home is a reflection of you, and with these ideas, you can create a space that not only looks beautiful but also feels deeply comforting and inspiring. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern spring farmhouse design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.